Good morning dear students. Last class we completed till the question number 1 in exercise 1.1. Now we are going to see the question number 3. Question number 3 also same method, addition and subtraction only. So listen to the question properly. Find the sum of 1 by 7 and 3 by 9. Take your book page number 19. 1 by 7 and 3 by 9. Sum means add. Okay, we are going to add 1 by 7 plus 3 by 9. Before we go for the addition subtraction, it must be an like fraction. Okay, it is unlike. Okay, unlike means take LCM for 7 and 9. Okay, here 7 table. You cannot take in the 9 table. You can go from the prime factors, prime numbers only we have to use. 3 table, 7 write as it is. 3 table, then again 3 table, 7, 1, then 7 table, 7 ones are 7 and 1. So till the 1 we have to complete it. Now multiply, write the factors first. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. So LCM is 63. Here I tell about one clue, listen to me. When you have the one prime number, one composite number, you can multiply directly and you can say that that is LCM. Okay, when do you have one prime number, one composite number? We know that 7 is a prime number, 9 is a composite number. Prime number means it has only 2 factors. Composite number means more than 2 factors. Whenever you have one prime number, one composite number, you can multiply directly and you can say that is the LCM. So LCM is 63. Now change the denominator to 63. Before it was 7. So 7 table, how many times 63 will be coming you see? Okay, 7 table we have to say 7 into 9 63, here also multiple by 9. So 1 9s are 9, then here 9 is a 9 table, we have to go in the 9 table. 9 table, how many times 63 will be coming? 7 times. 9 into 7, here also multiple by 7. So 9 7s are 63, 3 7s are 21. So now you can add only the numerator. 9 plus 21, denominators are same, so write only once. Don't add the denominator. Now add 9 plus 21 is 30 by 63. If you can cancel by any table, you can cancel by the same table. Okay, we can cancel by 3 table, so 10 times, here 2 times, 6, 3 1 time. Then again can we cancel? No. So the answer is 10 by 21. Answer is 10 by 21. It is proper fraction, so you can stop it. If it is an improper fraction, convert into the mixed fraction. The next question, what is the total of 3 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 6? 3 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 6. Total means plus. 3 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 6. It is mixed fraction. It is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Multiply and add. Here also multiply and add. 3 into 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3. Next 4 6 are 24. 4 into 6, 24. 24 plus 1 is 25 by 6. Now the denominators are different. So take LCM for 3 and 6. Okay, 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Then 2 table. 1 and 1. Now multiply 3 into 2, 6. So LCM is 6, make the denominator same as 6. Okay, now before it was 3 only, before it was 3 only. So 3 table, how many times 6 will be coming? You see 2 times. Here also 2 times you have to multiply. 3 2s are 6, 10 2s are 20. Here write as it is 25. Now add 20 plus 25 is 45 by 6. 45 by 6. 45 is numerator, 6 is the denominator. It is bigger one. So go for the division. 6 table. Okay, 6 table, 6 ones are 6. Okay, 6 5s are, we know that 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 7 times 42. Remainder is 3. So the quotient write as the whole number. Remainder write up. Denominator write as it is. So the answer is 7 3 by 6. 7 3 by 6. Next we are going to see the simplify. Simplify means if it is given addition, add. If it is division, subtraction means subtract. So 1 3 by 5 plus 5 4 by 7. Multiply and add. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 by 5. Here also multiply. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 4. 39 by 7. Take LCM for 5 and 7. Okay, 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 7 write as it is. 7 table. 1 and 1. 5 into 7 is 35. One more clue I will say now. Okay, the clue is whenever you have two prime numbers, multiply the prime number, that will be the LCM. Okay, whenever you have two numbers also prime number. See, 5 and 7 is prime number. So if you multiply, that will be the LCM. So 35 is LCM. So now 5, here it was. If you multiply by which number, you will get 35, you see. Okay, if you multiply by which number. So 5 table. Okay, 5 ones are 5, like that you have to say. We know that 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. So here also multiple by 7. Already 35 is here. Here alone you multiply. 8 7s are 56. Next, okay, here 7 is there. 7 table you have to say how many times 35 will come. 5 times. Here multiply. 39 into 5s are 9 5s are 45. 4 is remainder. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 19. So 195. Now it is given addition. Add 56 plus 195 divided by 35. 35 write as it is. Don't add the 35. We'll add now 10, 5, 251 by 35. 251 by 35. If you know the 5 table, we can cancel it. Okay, so here we can go for the division. (35) table we must go. Okay, just we can go orally. 35 into 5, just I multiply and say 15, 175 only it's coming. It seems to be 251. We have to reach there. Multiply by 8 or 7. It should be rounding off to 251. 8 times 40. 8 3s are 24, 28 it's coming, so it's no chance. 7 times we'll try. 35 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 245. 7 times means 245. It is near to 251. Okay, near to the number. So now subtraction. 11 minus 5, 6. So the remainder is 6. Quotient is 7. So write 7, 6 by 35. 7, 6 by 35. So what is given? Understand the question properly. Mixed fraction means convert into improper. Then take LCM and find out the answer. Then at last also change the improper to mixed fraction. Next problem. Okay, once listen to me. The option 2, the answer 7 3 by 6. Yes or no? This one you can cancel 1 and 2. So you can write as 7 1 by 2 this answer, or else you can cancel in this also. The 45 by 6 is there, no? The 45 by 6. Here you can cancel by 3 table. 2 times here 1, remainder 1 15, 5. So you can cancel and you can write 15 by 2, and you can go for the division. If you go, the answer will be same 7 1 by 2. Clear everyone? You can cancel before even in this step, even you can cancel, or else at last see the proper fraction and cancel it. Okay, don't forget to cancel. Okay, I didn't cancel that problem when I teach. So now you cancel it and change the answer. So option 4. Find the difference between 8 by 9 and 2 by 7. Difference means subtraction. Difference means subtraction. We are going to subtract 8 by 9 minus 2 by 7. Addition problems are over. Now we are going to see the subtraction. Subtraction also we have to see the denominator. Denominator is different. Go for the LCM. 3 table, 3 times, 7 as it is, 3 table, 1, 7 as it is, 7 table, 1 and 1, multiply 3 into 3 into 7, 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. Already we found in the before problem, first problem. Okay, so the 9 and 7, the LCM is 63. So denominators I have changed into 63. Now it is 9. 9 table we have to see how many times 63 will be coming. 7 times. Here also multiple by 7. 8 7s are 56. Then here also 7 multiple by 9. Multiple by 9. Because 7 9s are only 63. Then 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So now subtract the numerator alone. Denominator let it be as it is. 56 minus 18. Go for the subtraction 4. Here 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 4 minus 1, 3. 38 by 63. Okay, if you can cancel, you can cancel it, or else you don't want to cancel. Here 63, okay, it will come in the 9 table, but 38 will not come in the 9 table. It will come in the 7 table also, but 38 will not be coming. So let it be the answer 38 by 63. Subtract 1 3 by 5 from 2 1 by 3. Okay, subtract 1 3 by 5 from 2 1 by 3. Where is the from is given? It should be the first number. So this number should be first. 2 1 by 3, subtract mean minus 1 3 by 5. Okay, this is our first step. If you do this wrongly, total problem is wrong. Here the word from comes means the last one will be the first one. So now go for the mixed fraction to improper fraction conversion. Multiply and add. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 minus. Multiply 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 by 5. Now denominators are different. Take LCM for 3 and 5, 3 table, 1, 5 as it is, 5 table, 1 and 1. Multiply now, 3 into 5, 15. So LCM is, so 3 into 5, 15. LCM is 15. Now make the denominator as 15. What is here? 3. Okay, 3 only is here. 3 table, how many times 15 will come? 5 times. So multiple by 5 here means here also multiple by 5. You cannot take any number, you have to see the denominator and see the multiplication to get 15. Okay, to get 15, which number you have to multiply, you see it. Don't confuse with this. 7 5s are 35. Now 5 table, how many times 15 will come? 3 times, multiple by 3. 8 3s are 24. Write 15 as it is. Subtract 35 minus 24. 11 by 15. Okay, 11 and 15 you cannot cancel. So let it be as it is. It is proper fraction. So you cannot convert into the mixed fraction. If it is an improper fraction, we will convert into mixed fraction. Next option 6. Simplify. 7 2 by 7 minus 3 4 by 21. Okay, 7 2 by 7 minus 3 4 by 21. It is mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction. Multiply and add. Okay, multiply and add. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are, what is that? 49. Then add 49 plus 2, 51 by 7 minus. Likewise add 3 into 21. Multiply 3 2s are 6. 63. 63 plus 4. 63 plus 4 is 67 by 21. Now take LCM for 7 and 21. Okay, 7 and 21, 7 table. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Then 3 table, 1 and 1. Now multiply 7 into 3 is 21. So the LCM is 21. LCM is 21. Make the denominator as 21. So here it was 7. So 7 table, how many times 21 you see? If you multiply 3 times it will come. Multiply 7 3s are 21. Here 51 into 3. 3s are 3. 5 3s are 15. 153. Then already here 21 only. So you no need to multiply by any number. Just write as it is 67. Now 153 minus 67 divided by 21. Subtract. Go for the borrow. 13 minus 7, 6, 4, 14. It will become as 14. 14 minus 6 is 6. So answer is 66 by 21. Okay, it is which fraction? Which type of fraction? It is improper fraction. Convert into mixed one. 66 inside, 21 table we have to use. 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are 42, 21 threes are means add 3, 63. Okay, 21 into 3s are 63, 3 times, remainder is 3. So write this one as, once again, so we have made a mistake something. 7 sevens are 49, we'll check the question. 7 sevens are 49, 49 plus 2, 51, 51 by 7. Then 3 into 21, 66, here it is wrong. Okay, here correct. 21, 3 into 20, 21 into 3, 3, 6, 63. Okay, 63 plus 4, 67, correct. 67 by 21. Then here we have taken, multiply 51 into 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, correct, 153. Then the 67, subtraction we will check it. 4, 13 minus 7, 6, correct. Then it becomes as 14, 14 minus 6, 8, sorry, here only it's mistake, 86. 86 by 21. So 86 by 21. So when we subtract, we have to be careful. See that here little mistake, the answer will be wrong. 86 by 21. 21 table. 21 for 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Then the 4th time add 21 plus 63. 4, 84. So 4 times it is coming. 4 times is 84, remainder is 2. So the answer is 4, 2 by 21. 4, 2 by 21 is correct answer. Next we are going to see question number 4. Question number 4, listen to me. Convert mixed fractions into an improper fraction. Okay, mixed fraction we are going to convert into improper fraction. Convert mixed into improper. Option 1, 3, 7 by 18. So how will you convert? What we used to do? Multiply and add. Multiply and add. Multiply 3 into 18. 8 3s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 54 plus 7. You have to multiply and add. 54 plus 7 is 61. So 61 by 18. 61 by 18 is a conversion. Next option 2. 99 by 7. 99 by 7. It is, which fraction it is? Improper. 99 by 7 is improper. Improper we are going to convert into mixed fraction. Okay, improper we are going to convert into mixed fraction. Go for the division. 7 table. 7 table 9 how many times will be coming? 1 time. 7. 9 minus 7 2. Bring down the 9 down here. 29. 29 how many times? 7 table. 29 will be coming. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. remainder 1. Remainder is 1. So now the answer is 14, remainder 1, numerator, denominator as it is. 14, 1 by 7. Next option 3. Option 3, 47 by 6. Okay, option 3 is 47 by 6. It is also which fraction? Improper fraction. It is also improper fraction. Improper fraction convert into mixed one. Go for the division. 47. 6 table. How many times 47 will come? We have to see. Okay, we know that 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. Okay, 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. But here 47 only is there. Take less number. So 6 7s are 42. Remainder 7 minus 2 is 5. So write this quotient as a whole number 7. 5 remainder right up. This 6 will be as it is. 7 5 by 6 is the answer. Next one, option 4, 12 1 by 9. 12 1 by 9. It is which type of fraction? Mixed one. Multiply and add. Multiply 12 into 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 108 plus 1, 109 divided by 9. 109 divided by 9. So the 4 options are over. Okay, it is mixed to improper and improper to mixed. Okay, whatever it is given, you convert into the other one. For example, improper means mixed one, mixed means improper. Next, the question number 5 we are going to see. Question number 5 is multiplication. Okay, here question number 3 and 4. 3 we learned addition, subtraction. Okay, question number 4 we learned the conversion. Question number 5 we are going to learn multiplication. For the multiplication, you don't want to see either it is like or unlike. Just whatever it is given, multiply. If you can divide and write. Divide means simplification. Option 1. 2 by 3 into 6. 2 by 3 into 6. Okay, here you can multiply the numerator and denominator also. Here we have only the numerator. You can cancel and you can go for it, or else multiply. 2 6 are 12. Then 3 as it is 3. So now 3 table, you can cancel the 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. So the answer is 4. If denominator is 1, already I said, okay, there is no value. Okay, you no need to mention the denominator as 1. Next, option 2, 8 1 by 3 into 5. 8 1 by 3 into 5. It is mixed fraction. First convert into improper. Whenever you see mixed one, convert into improper. Multiply and add. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 3 into 5. Multiply 25 into 5. 5 table, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 125 by 3. Okay, 3 table, 12 can be cancelled, but 5 we cannot cancel. We will get the remainder. So you no need to cancel. The answer is 125 by 3. It is which fraction? Improper. Convert into mixed one. Go for the division. 3 table 4 times. Remainder 5. Remainder 5. 5 table, sorry, 3 table 5 how many times will come? 1 time. 3 remainder is 2. So you can write as 41 2 by 3. 41 2 by 3. Don't change the denominator. Denominator must be same. Next question. Next option. Option 3. 3 by 8 into 4 by 5. 3 by 8 into 4 by 5. Listen, this problem you can multiply and you can go for the cancellation. Cancellation means divide. Okay, here you can ask me, miss, the question is multiply, why are you dividing? So every fractions can be simplified. Every fractions can be simplified. Okay, here it is multiplication, just we are cancelling the table. Now I am multiplying, or else we can cancel. Write the question once again. 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Then 3 and 5 you cannot cancel. So just multiply and write. 3 ones are 3, 2 fives are 10. 3 by 10 is a proper fraction, so stop it. 3 and 10 we cannot cancel by any table. Then option 4. 3 5 by 7 into 1 by 13. It is mixed fraction. It is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Multiply and add. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 5, 26 by 7 into, here also multiply. 13 ones are 13. 13 plus 1, 14 by 13. Okay, now either you can cancel or not. You see, you can cancel numerator and denominator only. Don't cancel this and this and this and this. Up and down only you can cancel. Okay, you can cancel only up and down. 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Next 13 table, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So here then can we cancel anything? Don't cancel 2 and 2, it is numerator. You have to cancel up by down or else down by up. Now multiply the numerator. 2 twos are 4. Here what is left over? 1 is the left over. So 1 you no need to write in the denominator. If it is in the numerator you have to write as 1 by 4. If it is in the denominator 1, 4 by 1, you can write as only 4. That is enough. Okay, this one you have to remember. Numerator 1 means you must mention. If denominator 1 means you don't need to mention. Now we are going to see divide. Question number 6, divide we are going to see. So divide, the first option is 3 by 7 divide by 4. So in the first itself I said the division can be written as multiplication in the reciprocal form. Okay, division can be written as multiplication in the reciprocal form. That is clue for you. Multiplication in reciprocal form. So now the 3 by 7, okay, here you can see what is the reciprocal of 4. Okay, write the denominator as 1 and reciprocal means changing numerator and denominator. So this division I am changing as multiplication. This denominator will go for the numerator, numerator will go for the denominator. That is called reciprocal. The reciprocal of 4. Four is 1 by 4. Okay, because denominator nothing is there, I have considered as 1. Then if you change the numerator and denominator, that is called reciprocal. It is important. Very easy also, remember this. Now if you can divide, you can divide or else multiply. 3 ones are 3, 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. In the 3 table 28 will not come. So write as it is. Option 2 is 4 by 3 divided by 5 by 9. 4 by 3 divided by 5 by 9. Same division convert into multiplication. 4 by 3 into reciprocal form. This only you have to take reciprocal. Don't take the 4 by 3. After the division, what is given, take into the reciprocal form. 9 by 5. Okay, now 3 table we can cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Other number you cannot cancel. Multiply. 4 threes are 12, 1 fives are 5. It is improper. Convert into mixed one. 5 table 12 how many times? 2 times 10. Remainder 2. So you can write this as 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So now everything, listen to me. Always the division convert into multiplication. Option 3, 4 1 by 5 divided by 3 by 4. Okay, now multiply and add. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. Division let it be as it is. First we will convert, then we can go for it. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 by 4. Now I am going to convert the division into multiplication. 21 by 5, convert. This we can write as 4 by 15. Okay, 15 by 4 I can write as 4 by 15. Now either you can cancel or not. You see 3 table we can cancel 5 times and 7 times. Then no other table. Multiply. 7 4s are 28, 5 5s are 25. It is also improper. So 25 table, 28 how many times? 1 times, remainder 3. So you can write as 3 by 25. Next option 4. Nine 2 by 3 divide 1 2 by 3. Okay, so multiply and do like the same. Option 3, multiply and add, multiply and add. It is also mixed fraction, yes or no? 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 2, 29 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. Conversion 29 by 3. This only you have to go for the reciprocal. Multiply and 3 by 5. Then 3 and 3 you can cancel. 29 will not be cancelled by 5 table. Write as it is 29 by 5. 5 table. 29 how many times will come? 5 times. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 4. You can write as 4 by 5. So the division part is over. So in this class we have seen that addition and subtraction, then the multiplication and division. Okay, for multiple and division, you no need to see either it is like or unlike. Only for the addition subtraction, see that if it is like, you can convert easily. If it is unlike fraction, okay, go for the LCM or cross multiplication method. From the question number 7, we will see in the next class. Question number 7 onwards, statement problem. So you must have your book with you. So buy the books and get ready with the books. Thank you, dear students.